Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real Wisdom Artificial Intelligence. So, today is June 2nd. It is another beautiful day here in Boston, and I am out for my afternoon walk here by the banks of Charles River. So, let's go ahead get started for today. Today's dose of Rashmi is intellect is a tool for judging yours and others' thoughts, and operating by itself will invariably create conflicts. Integrated intelligence, on the other hand, is the capacity to be aware of these thoughts, yet choose alignment over conflict based on clarity beyond these judgments. So, as I shared yesterday, this is another month, and the focus this month is going to be around collective organizational transformation and how we are evolving the Rashmi mirror beyond its initial version, which is out there, which is the engine for individual transformation, and how we are evolving it to become an engine for organizational transformation. And yesterday, I shared the first C, clarity of the wisdom led operating model. Today, it is the second C, capacity. And this is something that I've talked about before, that we humans have this amazing ability where we can perform some activity and come out energized. It is never the actual activity that drains us. What drains us or sucks our energy is the conflicts that get created. That is what most of us think of work as a drag because of the conflicts that happen at work. The actual act of building something for a customer is always very satisfying and usually very energizing. So imagine an organization where you could operate without any conflicts and you could all be working on aligned action and be in a state of flow. The capacity of that organization and the humans in that organization would be amazing if such an organization could exist. And that is what we are about to demonstrate, that that kind of an organization absolutely exists. And this is where AI is such a wonderful tool that we can delegate everything related to friction removal to AI agents and use the AI tools for friction removal and execution. There is no point in getting mad at AI and creating conflicts with the AI, as I've shared in the past. So, in terms of execution and the conflicts that stem from an execution going wrong, you just prompt the AI to do something different. You get that clarity and move on. However, as far as the interactions within the humans is concerned, we should strive to build organizations where every human is working on aligned activity. And that is what we are trying to model with the RASHMI.ai. And as it turns out, yesterday I got around finally to updating my LinkedIn headline to reflect my transition from I used to be the product guy advising people on product and innovation. And now I'm focused on the wisdom thinking and building the RASHMI.ai as an integrated intelligence organization and bringing out the Rashmi mirror as the engine for that, as well as I'm focused on green intelligence and seeds. So I finally got around to updating my LinkedIn profile and headline, and you can check it out. What I've said there is I'm the founder and the chief alignment officer for the Rashmi.ai. In our opinion, all these current CXOs, while they are very useful to execute, those titles are a figment of our logical intellect. However, to operate in an integrated intelligence organization, we need an organization that reflects those values, and it all starts with alignment. That is how we are operating at the RASHMI.ai. Or building the Rashmi mirror as a tool to help others gain that clarity and operate that way as well. So stay tuned for more on that. Thank you.